Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today, here's my Husky 27-inch by 18 7-drawer toolbox review. I've owned it for about 4 or 5 years, I'd say. It works pretty good. Only problem I had so far is these 2 drawers. As you see, this one's already opening. It doesn't stay closed on its own, along with this one down here. You can't see it. There's these little plastic pins in the back, or plastic clips that keep it closed. They broke from slamming the drawer shut too hard, but other than that, it works pretty well. You see, that was a little hard to close. You know, I could grease the bearings maybe, but they're still real easy to open. Open it from either side. Let's see. Overall, pretty well toolbox. Holds everything I want real good. This drawer's got a bunch of weight in it. I'm a pretty big guy and I'm putting all my weight on it. And it's still fine. It's got one rotating caster and one fixed one with big, I'd say about 4 or 5 inch casters on it. They also need to be greased. But it rolls really well still. Got a bunch of stuff in the way, so can't really roll it, sorry. But that's it. Very good toolbox. I got it at Home Depot for about $150.